Hi students, hope you are fine. In lower classes, you must have studied about different forms of government such as democracy, monarchy, dictatorship, etc. Among these, democracy is the most prevalent form of government in the world today and it is expanding to more countries. But why is it so? What makes it better than other forms of government? To get answer for these questions, let us study the first chapter of civics. What is democracy? Why democracy? In this chapter, we will be learning 6 main topics. They are definition of democracy, features of democratic government, difference between democracy and non-democracy, arguments against democracy, arguments for democracy, broader meanings of democracy. First, let us understand what is democracy. There are several definitions to democracy. Abraham Lincoln defined democracy as a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Do you know who is Abraham Lincoln? He was the American president who abolished slavery from the country. Actually, the word democracy comes from a Greek word demokratia. In Greek, demos means people and kratia means rule. So, democracy is ruled by the people. Most common and simple definition is used for democracy is that it is a form of government where the rulers are directly elected by the people. Now let us discuss the features of democracy. First feature of democracy is that major decisions by elected leaders. This means in a democracy, the final decision making power must rest with those elected by the people. Second feature of democracy is that free and fair elections. This means a democracy must be based on a free and fair election where those currently in power have a fair chance of losing. Third feature of democracy is that one person, one vote, one value. It means in a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. Fourth feature of democracy is that rule of law and respect for rights. This means a democratic government rules within limits set by the constitutional law and citizens' right. Citizens' right means fundamental rights given by the constitution. You learned the definition of democracy and features of democracy. Now let us understand the difference between democracy and non-democracy. In democracy, government is elected by the adult citizen. Citizens have fundamental rights. Leaders rule within the constitutional laws and citizens' rights. Accountability is present in democracy. Accountability means that government take responsibilities of governing the country efficiently and takes care of the needs of its people. But in non-democracy, government is not elected by the people, no rights to the citizens, leaders rule as they feel like, non-accountability is present in non-democracy. It means that government cannot be held responsible for every happening in the country.